Welcome to Mind XY, your channel for logical thinking and puzzle solving. Three circles rest on the same line. The left and right circles, C1 and C2, touch each other externally. A smaller circle, C3, fits between them, tangent to both and to the line. If their radii are R1, R2, and R3, prove that 1 over square root R3 equals 1 over square root R1 plus 1 over square root R2. Which distances might reveal this relation? Pause here and try to solve it yourself first. For two circles tangent on a line, the distance between their vertical projections equals 2 times the square root of the product of their radii. Apply this to circles C1 and C2. The segment AB equals 2 square root R1, R2. Next, consider circles C1 and C3. We'll denote their centers by the Greek letter omega 1 and omega 3. The distance from point A to the vertical through omega 3 equals 2 square root R1, R3. Similarly, between C2 and C3, the distance from point B to the vertical through omega 3 equals 2 square root R2, R3. Now observe. The total length AB equals A omega 3 plus B omega 3. Substituting the formulas gives square root R1 R2 equals square root R1 R3 plus square root R2 R3. Divide through by square root of R1 R2 R3. The left side becomes 1 over square root R3. The first term on the right becomes 1 over square root R2. The second term becomes 1 over square root R1. Rearranging yields the elegant relation 1 over square root R3 equals 1 over square root R1 plus 1 over square root R2. Thus, we obtain the required formula. The radius of the small circle is completely determined by the radii of the two larger circles through a relation involving reciprocals of their square roots. The system of distance equations simplifies after cancellation, leading to a final expression that is both simple and symmetric. This shows that even in configurations that appear complicated, the geometry can be governed by a clear and structured relationship. If you enjoyed unraveling this mathematical mystery with us, hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into math and science. Let us know in the comments what other puzzles we should explore next. Thanks for watching.